Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best microfiber cloths are probably one of the most important accessories for glasses wearers, promising streak-free cleaning and gentle care for your expensive lenses. In this video, we will dive into the world of microfiber cloths, exploring different types, materials, and features to help you choose the perfect cloth for keeping your glasses sparkling clean and scratch-free, ultimately improving your vision and extending the life of your eyewear. We'll examine various factors, including absorbency, softness, durability, and overall effectiveness in removing smudges, fingerprints, and dust from your lenses. Number 5. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. It's meticulously crafted from ultra-dense Japanese microfiber. This cloth effortlessly removes dirt and grime, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Unlike other microfiber cloths, it's engineered for superior performance. The ultra-fine, lint-free fibers are woven in a honeycomb matrix for maximum effectiveness. It's safe for all your delicate lenses and screens. From glasses to camera lenses and VR headsets, it provides unparalleled cleaning power. This reusable cloth is washable and lasts for dozens of uses. It's a sustainable and cost-effective solution compared to disposable wipes. Koala is trusted by millions for precision lens care. We believe in providing superior performance and value. What we like? It's made of premium Japanese microfiber, known for its superior absorbency and cleaning power. This means it effortlessly wipes away even the toughest dirt and oil, leaving your lenses spotless. If you value top-tier performance and long-lasting quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I keep one of these cloths all over, to clean my glasses, the best cloth I've ever had for that purpose, as well as my phone, iPad, and other screens. They work fantastically and are also washable and wear well and continue to work well. I bought these to use on my glossy gaming monitor as they recommend this type of cloth to use, and it works amazing. These leave no scratches and cleans the display really well. It does an excellent job cleaning my glasses, no residue or smudges. I also use this cloth to clean my phone and camera lenses. Plus, you can use them over and over since they are washable. Number 4. Elite Tech Gear Microfiber Cloths. Say goodbye to smudges and fingerprints. These cloths make cleaning your glasses, screens, and lenses a breeze. At 12 by 12 inches, they're perfect for cleaning larger surfaces. Plus, they're washable and built to last. The ultrafine microfiber material cleans effectively with minimal pressure, leaving no scratches or streaks. Each cloth comes individually packaged, making it easy to keep one in your pocket, bag, or case. These cloths are environmentally friendly, reusable, and easy to hand wash. They're a sustainable cleaning solution. We're committed to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like? Its extra-large size makes cleaning larger surfaces a breeze, while its durability ensures it can withstand countless washes. You'll appreciate its convenience and long-term value. If you need a cloth that's both efficient and economical, this is the one for you. What people say. These are great eyeglass cleaners. I even tried them on my inside windows in my car and they work rather well. I would recommend them not only because they work but because of the large cleaning size. The quality of the microfiber is fantastic, super soft and highly absorbent. They make quick work of smudges and fingerprints, leaving surfaces streak-free. I also love that they're washable, so I can keep reusing them without any loss of effectiveness. They hold up beautifully in the wash, maintaining their softness and cleaning power. What a difference! For extra-large cloths, cleans real well and even usable on my computer monitors and cell phone. I don't think I will even go back to lens cleaning wipes. Make sure you use the side with the logo, the other side is not the cleaning side. Number 3. 18-pack Premium Microfiber Cloths. It's made from high-quality microfiber, so it's perfect for absorbing dust, oil, and fingerprints without scratching delicate surfaces. These cloths leave your lenses and screen spotless. It's designed to safely clean glasses and extend their lifespan. The unique edges prevent fraying, making it gentle on all your delicate electronics and lenses. They are incredibly versatile. Use them on cameras, glasses, screens, pretty much any surface that needs a gentle clean. They're perfect for keeping your devices looking their best. These cloths are super durable and can be reused many times. Just hand wash them in warm water, no harsh detergents needed, and hang them to dry. This set includes 18 cloths, 14 black and 4 gray, individually packaged for convenience. Each cloth is the perfect size for travel and everyday use. What we like. This value pack provides multiple cloths for all your cleaning needs, from glasses to screens. The lint-free material guarantees a streak-free finish every time. If you're looking for a cost-effective and versatile solution, this is the best option. What people say. Works very well getting the fingerprints off my glasses and my iPad screen. Have glasses all over the place and run through these a lot. Work well and don't scratch the lenses. For glasses wearers, these are a must since glasses need cleaning daily. You can use the lens cleaner made for specifically glasses and sunglasses with these cloths and wash them in the washing machine and dry and fold them over and over. They won't scratch your lens. Number 2. Care Touch Microfiber Cloths. It's the perfect cloth for cleaning glasses and other delicate surfaces. Its gentle touch ensures a streak-free shine, leaving everything crystal clear. Clean effectively without harsh chemicals. They are ideal for phones, tablets, and computer screens, keeping them safe and spotless. Each cloth is perfectly sized at 6 by 7 inches, making it ideal for daily use and easy to carry around in your bag. These cloths are reusable and machine washable. They maintain their quality even after multiple washes, saving you money in the long run. Each cloth comes individually packaged, keeping it clean and ready to use anytime, anywhere. Perfect for travel. What we like. It's chemical-free, making it safe for all delicate surfaces, and its convenient size is perfect for daily use. Each cloth comes individually wrapped for easy portability. If you prioritize safety and convenience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Safe, absorbent, no streaks, large size. The softness and quality of these little pieces of cloth is amazing. I cleaned my laptop screen with it and I could tell the laptop liked it as much as I did. It's got really good quality. Number 1. MagicFiber Microfiber Cloths. These cloths are perfect for keeping your home sparkling clean. They're incredibly soft and absorbent, making them ideal for various surfaces. Quickly and easily wipe away dust, water, and spills for a streak-free shine. They're strong enough for any cleaning job, big or small. The non-abrasive material is gentle on delicate surfaces like glasses and screens, leaving them spotless and scratch-free. These cloths are machine washable and reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. They'll last for years, providing reliable cleaning power. Use them on bookshelves, bathrooms, kitchens, cars, and more. They're the perfect all-purpose cleaning solution for your home. With 6 cloths in each pack, you'll always have a clean cloth on hand. Order yours now and experience the MagicFiber difference. What we like. Made from incredibly soft, high-quality microfiber, it's gentle on all surfaces while being highly effective. Its reusability makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. If you are looking for a soft, yet effective and long-lasting cloth, this one is for you. What people say. They arrived on time and I tried one on my glasses using the Zeiss lens wipes that I've been using for years. It worked beautifully and completely cleaned the lenses. They are soft and protect the eyeglasses and sunglasses. Use it for cleaning the iPhone and iPad. The cloths do an amazing job of cleaning my glasses. The last set of cloths lasted me for many years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.